Hello foreigners. If you are living in Bangkok, Thailand and looking for a rent, I have the condominium to offer you. And today I will show you around the condominium that's next to the BTS station, Thong Lo station. Let's take a look inside. Before we take a look inside, this is BTS Thong Lo station area. This is the Sukhumvit area, the Thong Lo area, so you can commute around very easily if you're using the transportation. So you can go around Bangkok city very easily. So let's take a look from this perspective, from the balcony of this unit. This is the heart of Bangkok city. So this unit is facing to the north and this in the east, so you not much get hot because the sunlight just come up only a few hours during the day and then come pass by behind the building. And then take a look inside. This unit size like a duplex size, about 126 square meters with a high ceiling. So you have the living area here, you got a couch, you got the televisions, air conditionings, and also on the left my side, this is the dining table with four seats. You can see here the glass window, such a nice view and nice beautiful day today. You got a dining table, another dining table with four seats. You got the kitchen. So your kitchen is come with the electricity stove. You got the cabinet ready to move in. You have a refrigerator. So also on the left my side is the sinks to clean your stuff, and also you have the laundry room here. From the kitchen side, we go back to living area. So this is such a nice place, nice premises here to show you here. This is the first floor, and actually this one like combine two level from 22nd to 23rd, and you got, so this unit 2 bathroom, 3 bathroom. This is the bathroom size from the guest. You got the toilet for your guests, and you got one storage here. You can keep your luggage here and your stuff here. Then let's take a look upstairs. So you start to feel not just living in a condominium but living in a housing, because this type of duplex units is very rare item that make you feel like you are at home. So let's take a look at the master bedroom. This is your master bedroom here. You see there's such a nice weather today. You got king bed size here. Got king bed size. You can open the curtain here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So you got a closet with a big mirror. There you go. Also you have the bathtub here. Very nice here. From inside bathroom of the master bedroom, you got the rain shower here. Rain shower, bathtub, and this is the curtains. You have to keep your privacy from another part of building can see. So rock the wheel. So anyway, come back to inside the house and inside the unit. So let's take a look at the second bedroom here. Walkable here. So this is second bedroom. This unit that suit for the small family, you know, for yourself, your spouse and your kid, maybe stay here. So you're looking for a rent in part of Bangkok city. This is suit for you. Very close, convenient to go around with transportation. And this is our building another as well. On the bed side, so you got the cabinet, the closet, Also, you have your own bathroom here. Another bathroom. This bathroom has shower. A shower. You got shower heating water. Here you go. And also this condominium has a common area such as swimming pool that you can free of charge, you can use, and also you have gym open from 6 o'clock until midnight, so you can free to use as all. Let me know if you are interested to see the room or you want to know the price. The asking price about 62,000 baht to 65,000 baht per month, 6 months at least, maybe 12 months in contract. So keep in touch if you are interested and let me help you to find your rental property. And bye for now.